Hello, I'm reviewing the Sony 1000XM3. Okay, here we go. Okay, first we have our power on and off button. When you press it, it can tell you the battery life. Here we have our noise cancelling button. You can also turn off the noise cancelling and you can let in sound. So when you want to hear something, or when someone is talking, you can hear them. You can also put your palm over the cup and it will let in the sound also. Here we have our audio jack. And then we have your charging input where you can charge the headphones. The battery life can last up to 30 hours on a single charge. And this is what it sounds like when you power it on.
Power on. Ambient sound. Ambient sound control off. Noise cancelling. Power off.